Hey people with the spirit of name, good morning, buenos dias, o todos, como están? How are you today? And yeah, thank you for coming back into my YouTube channel. My name is Angga Rizky, and now we're gonna learn how to design and how to code for the Android development. In this video, we're gonna preparing the user interface design for the photo sharing application. Because yeah, inshallah, maybe we're gonna try how do we build the photo sharing application in the next time. So right now we have to prepare first the very first design for the Android application. Well, I have been designing in the Adobe XD, and then you don't have to be worried. Just download those assets in the video's description, and after that we are cool to go. Okay people with the spirit of learning, let's get started. Okay, so this is the design that I did in the Adobe XD. But you know, the preview of the design is not really cool that the way we do in the Android Studio. Okay, just for the example, yeah, an example. Okay, cool. So right now I am going to copy those assets into our Android Studio project, this one, into a drawable. Okay, so in the drawable, we have to give like this. Okay, amazing. And then we got fonts actually, so we're gonna copy them into res and then new and Android resource directory and font. Okay, and then just simply paste into this directory. Okay, cool. So right now for this I don't need this at the moment. And then I have to go to the values into the styles, so we don't have to use action bar, just like that. Okay, and if I go back into the design, I wanna change the color of the status bar to the red one. So I think no, not red, so I'm going to use this color instead. So this one, it has to be red. Okay, because it matches into the love, which is red spirit, and this is picture is like a luxury, you know. So right now we have to go to Android Studio, and then in the primary dark I have to replace this hex code, so you see it's nice. And in the background I'm going to setting into the white color. Okay, cool. And then if we see here, let's get started with these pages. Okay, so this page is all about the photos. So here you have to prepare the image view like this, and then you have to prepare 3 text view. So I'm going to simply duplicate them like this, and then the bottom one we need 2 buttons and 1 view. Okay, so button like this, and we just simply copy, and then we need view. Okay, oops, just like this. Okay, amazing. So this is for the image view. You don't have to build from the scratch. You just need to follow my code. So this is image view that we use for the illustration over here. Okay, so we're gonna replace them later on. Okay, and then do not forget to give the IDs like these IDs, because we need them to start the animation later on. And if you see in the design, there is the underline, but over here you don't see any underline there. It is because we have to setting up from a Java like this. Okay, underline. Okay, so this is our progress. Wow, looks amazing, right? And then we just need to continue into the buttons and then view. So we got two buttons here, button page photo and then button page chat. Okay, but in the button page chart they got the scale X and Y because we wanna animate them later on like this. So if you see over here, the icon would be small and would be bigger and vice versa. Okay, and then we have to use scale over here because we're gonna use the animation later on. Okay, so for in the view there is there is that point. Okay, so we're gonna create by ourselves into a drawable and drawable resource, which is that menu like this. And then in the selector you have to change into shape like this. Okay, and then use the solid color primary dark like this, and then use the corner which is radius 200 dp. Okay, very well. And setting the background for the that menu, and you'll see there is the tiny menu there, yeah. And then I think we just need to drag here and then give the margin like this. Okay, and then we have to give like this and then give the margin right like this. And after all we have to move here, okay, like this. Okay, so it is in the middle. Let me, yeah, you'll see that there is that. Okay, so we're gonna animate this dot later on into here. Okay, so right now we have to go into the Java here to register all of them, but before that I'm going to add RES to prepare the animation. RES and then new and then Android resource directory for anim. Okay, so instead of the anim we give the animation for the picture, which is EMG buns. Okay, so this is for bounce animation, and then we need to remaining animation, which is for the text view, for the title anim like this. Okay, or we could also give the file name into bottom to top. Okay, BTT bottom to top. Okay, so we got buns animation like this and BTT. So the differences is only scale has to be translate, and then we have to setting start offset and duration, decrease it into the 400. And instead of using the bounce interpolator, we have to use it for the accelerate interpolator, and then we just need to simply copy them into the another animation that I made it for you. And the differences is only for the start offset, it has to be 400 after this animation is finished. Okay, and then we can run it for the buttons. Okay, so right now I'm going to close all of them and back into the main activity, and I'm going to register image view for our image view, this one, IC stats. Okay, and then we need the text view for the title page, for the subtitle button, no, for this one, yeah, for this one, button add photo, but we did it earlier. So for this one, yeah, we need them and dot menu. Okay, so we got this declare the variable over here, and after that we need to target the ID like this, and then after that we need to give an event into those buttons. So button page, maybe button page chat, set on click listener. So we have to use the animation here. So that's why we have to register animation here for the BTT and BTT2 and then EMG bunch like this. Okay, and after all you can just BTT is animation utils, and we have to load the animation base R anim and then BTT and duplicate them and simply just replace instead of writing it from the scratch. Okay, just like that. Okay, and then for the button page charts, if we click here and then we have to change this a title page, we have to set text differently, like if you see in the Adobe XD there is no one chat. Oh my god, lonely. No one chat, and then we have to change this subtitle page into the build a circle that impacts society. Okay, like this. Okay, and after all we have to change the IC stats for the set background resource like this, and then R drawable, which is the IC chart. Oh, my Siri is working. Okay, let's moving on, sorry. My next phone. Okay, so after all we need to run the animation. Okay, and under of this section I'm going to paste the animation for them. Okay, so AC stats start animation, which is the EMG bonds. Okay, and then title page starts animation BTT, and then subtitle page starts animation BTT, and the last one is for the button add photo. Okay, so the button add photo we have to change it. Button add photo we have to change to another text, which is set text, and then we have to give them like add friends. Okay, friend of friends, friend of friend. Okay, just like that. And then this is supposed to be BTT2 like this. Okay, so over here I have to replace with the new source code, which is set image resource. Okay, and then in this section we have to give a button add photo set text color. We have to use the red color, so I have to go back into Adobe XD to get this hex code color. Okay, perfecto. And you see it's not working. It's because we have to use color and then parse color and then string color. Okay, just like that. And after that we have to give the animation here, another animation. Okay, so actually we have the button page photo and set the background resources like this, and then R drawable, and then AC moon. Okay, this one. Okay, and then we have the button page chat, and we have to isi cha man. Okay, just like this. Alright, and then we have to use the and the animation and image resource. Okay, and then we have to give the animation for the button page photo animate, and then scale it to 0 like this, and then set start duration is maybe just faster enough, and then start it. Okay, and then after that we need to duplicate this button page charts, and then we have to scale to the 1. Okay, and don't forget to scale x2 to the 1, and this one has to be scale x2 like this. Okay, so for the button page chat, it has to be message on. Okay, so n is mean active, but on it means unable or unactive or inactive. Okay, so right now I wanna give the animation for the view. So here we have to give like this, and then dot menu, we have to give the animation. It's not about scale X, it's not about scale Y, but it's all about translation X. Okay, so the translation X, I think it has to be 350. Okay, but in here we have set start delay about 100 and then start. Okay, like this. So for the dot menu animation has to be about 430. Okay, so whenever we run this application and then I just want to click here and it's supposed to be changed. Okay, and it looks amazing, right? So vice versa, I just want to simply copy this and then button page photo. So we have to reverse again, which is refer on this design. So there is no photo. I just want to simply copy them here and then add the picture just like this, and then add photo. So over here add photo like this. Okay, and then right now we have to give the parse color, which is the purple. So I'm going to simply copy this like this. Okay, and then for this image resource, it has to be AC photos. Okay, so right here it's little bit tricky. So here is CC man. Okay, it has to be ICC man. Okay, and this one is CM gun like this. Okay, so if you see here it's different like this. Okay, and then we have to reverse again. So for the button page photo, it has to be scale Y, scale 1. So I think we just simply to copy this into here, and this one button page chat. Okay, and for the dot menu, it has to be a 0 because we want to moving back into the origin place. Okay, so if you run the application, you'll see there is our design but no photos, and then this one no one chat. Okay, all right. Okay, so maybe in the next video we're gonna try how do we upload the photo, or even how do we find a friend. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay people, with the spirit of Nick, I hope that was amazing for you, and please let me know if you do have a question and I'm gonna answer in the video's comment. Alright, so if you think the video is useful and if you wanna continue this application, make sure you hit that subscribe button because you're gonna get a new update from me. In the next video, we're gonna try how do we prepare another activity for adding picture and then for add a friends. Okay people, with the spirit of Nick, I'll see you in the next video. So goodbye for now. Bye.